In this video, we can talk about top 5 TextCortex alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Coup channel. In today's video, we're going to explore 5 remarkable alternatives to Rytr, a powerful AI-powered writing assistant. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business professional, these top 5 alternatives to TextCortex, including Rytr, ProWritingAid, Simplified, and Anyword. Get ready to unleash your creative prowess and take your writing to new heights by selecting the best alternative out of the 5 we are now going to list. Let's begin without any interruptions. First up, we have is Rytr. Rytr is an AI-powered writing assistant that uses advanced language models to generate high-quality content across various formats, including articles, social media posts, and more. It offers features like advanced AI technology, high-quality content generation, and writing suggestions. With Rytr's user-friendly interface and intuitive writing suggestions, you can effortlessly refine your ideas and craft captivating pieces that captivate your audience. One of its standout features is its diverse writing templates that offer a wealth of options to match your writing needs. Next on the list is Rytr. Rytr is an innovative writing tool that aids in creating exceptional content and ensures consistent and brand-aligned content across various channels. It offers features like grammar checks, readability scores, spelling error detection, and sentence complexity analysis. Rytr also empowers you to fine-tune your writing skills, ensuring your words flow smoothly and resonate with your readers. And not to miss, with one of its standout features, which is real-time collaboration, you can seamlessly collaborate with teammates, making it an ideal choice for team-based writing projects. Moving forward, we have ProWritingAid. ProWritingAid is a comprehensive writing assistant that acts as a virtual writing coach, guiding you towards polished and professional prose. It comes with exclusive features like custom dictionary, tone detection, plagiarism checker, and citation checker. With ProWritingAid, you can effortlessly identify grammar errors, improve sentence structure, eliminate redundancy, and ensure consistency throughout your writing. One of its standout features is its ability to provide detailed reports that can give valuable insights into your writing habits, thereby helping you identify areas for improvement and become a more effective writer. Our fourth alternative is Simplified. Simplified is an intuitive writing platform designed for simplicity and productivity and provides a distraction-free environment with a minimalist interface. It offers features like AI content rewriter, AI blog writer, and hashtag generator. Whether you're working on a blog post or a novel, Simplified streamlines the writing process, enabling you to unleash your creativity effortlessly. It also offers a standout feature, which is its progress tracking feature that ensures you stay on track and motivated as you embark on your writing journey. Last but not least, we have is Anyword. Anyword is a powerful AI copywriting tool that harnesses the capabilities of artificial intelligence to help you create compelling and persuasive copy for your marketing campaigns. It offers features like content summarizer, cold email writer, and built-in plagiarism checker. With Anyword, you can optimize your headlines, ads, and email subject lines, leveraging data-driven insights to maximize engagement and conversions. One of the standout features of Anyword is its AI-powered copy analysis, with which you can easily get personalized recommendations to enhance your copy's effectiveness. Let's compare these alternatives to TextCortex. Rytr AI stands out with its lightning-fast speed and remarkable affordability. It enables users to generate high-quality content in mere seconds, while Rytr focuses on providing comprehensive writing assistance across various genres, styles, and offers a wide range of writing templates, prompts, and suggestions to help you generate high-quality content quickly. ProWritingAid, on the other hand, is a comprehensive writing assistant designed to deliver in-depth writing analysis and suggestions and helps refine your writing skills. Simplified offers a completely different set of features that are more convenient when it comes to visual content creation. Anyword is an excellent tool that specializes in AI-driven marketing copy and helps marketers create personalized messages for their varied target audiences. Considering the overall capabilities and standout features, the best alternative to TextCortex and our top recommendation would be ProWritingAid. It is a perfect AI tool for enhancing your writing efficiency and unleashing your creative potential. And its comprehensive analysis, personalized suggestions, and attention to detail make it an indispensable tool for writers of all levels. By this, we conclude this video. Hope you liked it and gained new information about more options for your content writing needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.